Morning children. Today you will be happy to know that we will learn the last letter of the English alphabets in our class. So our last letter is letter Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. Capital Z, small z, and the phonic sound of letter Z is Z. Z. Let's do the picture reading of letter Z on page number 88 of your English workbook. So open this page. Hurry up children. Z says Z as in zebra. Z, zebra. Z, zoo. Z, zero. Z, zip. Z, zigzag. So children, all these pictures begin with letter Z. Let's learn how to write capital Z and small z. See, for the capital Z, first we have to keep our pencil on the capital line and make a small slipping line like this. Okay, from here make a left slanting line to the tail line and again make a slipping line to the right like this. This is how we make capital letter Z. For small letter Z, we have to keep our pencil on the waistline. Make a small slipping line to the right and then make a small slanting line to the tail line and again to the right make a slipping line like this. This is how we make small letter Z. Let's do another activity of letter Z on the same page. See what is written here. Circle the pictures that begin with letter Z. Means आपको उन पिक्चर्स को सर्कल करना है जिनके नेम लेटर Z की साउंड से स्टार्ट होते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, टेल मी which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of duck. Duck. But not start with Z. So we will not circle the picture of duck. Okay? Next picture is of zebra. Z, zebra. Its first letter sound is Z. So we will circle the picture of zebra. Okay? Like this. See, this is the picture of taxi. Taxi. But not Z. So don't circle this picture, okay? This is the picture of drum. Drum. But doesn't start with the sound of letter Z. So children, don't circle this picture, okay? This is the picture of zigzag. Zigzag. Children, the name of picture start with the phonic sound of letter Z. So circle this picture like this. Right? This is the picture of diya or you can say earthen lamp. But इसकी sound, starting sound Z तो नहीं है. So we will not circle this picture. Right children? This is the picture of zoo. Zoo. So this is the right picture that begins with the letter Z. Right? So circle this picture of zoo like this. Zebra, zigzag, zoo. So children, all three pictures begin with letter Z. So you have to circle only these pictures. I hope you enjoyed today's learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.